In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the LinkedIn notification sound. If you find yourself less than thrilled by the current notification sound, or if you're simply looking for a change, follow along with me to customize it to your liking. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. If you haven't already done so, click on the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Enter your login details and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn homepage. It's the central hub of activity where you get updates from your connections, posts from companies you follow, and much more. But today, we're focusing on the notification sounds. From the homepage, the next step is to access your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or your name, typically located at the top menu bar. This will bring you to a page that outlines your professional identity. And here, we'll initiate the journey to tweak the notification settings. Next, find the Settings and Privacy section. It's usually housed within a drop-down menu beneath your profile icon. Clicking on that will open up a range of options related to your account. We need to delve further into account preferences, so go ahead and choose that option. Your account preferences are where LinkedIn allows you to customize and manage various aspects of your experience on the platform. Scrolling through these options, locate General Preferences. General settings encompass everything from language preferences to how your data is used. Clicking on General Preferences will take you a step closer to finding where you can make changes to the sounds. Now, direct your attention to the category named Sound Effects. This is the key section where you can modify what you hear when you receive notifications. Click on it and you'll be presented with different sound options, potentially allowing you to preview and select a sound that resonates best with you. Take your time to listen to the available choices and choose one that you find appealing and alerting without being annoying. That's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated the LinkedIn settings to personalize your notification sounds. Remember, you can always return to adjust these settings if your preferences change over time. Customizing your notifications can help enhance your LinkedIn experience, making it not just more personal, but tailor-fitting your everyday routine. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.